Garifoto. Vegetarian side dish for stew. A side dish from Ghana. Serves you 4. Will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Cook the onion and tomatoes in the margarine or palm oil, stirring until pulpy, in a non-stick saucepan. Add carrots and fry for a few minutes. Step 2. Stir in the palm oil, then add the mushrooms, green peppers, stock and hot pepper. Step 3. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Mix the gari into the sauce in handfuls, stirring constantly until all the liquid is absorbed. Step 4. Serve hot with a vegetable stew or fish stew. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.